What is up, guys? Ari here from Crypto News, and in this video we're going to be having a look on how to buy Wall Street meme step by step. I know a lot of people have been having trouble buying Wall Street meme step by step, and they said that my previous instructions or in my previous video that I made was not clear. So we're going to be having a look with my real account right here, or demo account I should say. This is my third or second account, I believe. As you guys can see right here, I do have a bunch of accounts right here. So we're gonna go ahead and essentially start with that and see if we can essentially buy Wall Street meme on this video. So Wall Street meme, guys, is probably one of the biggest pre-sales out there that we have. Okay, not that we have, but it's going on essentially right now. So you can see right here that they raised 17,445 out of $18 million, and as you guys can see right here, I did purchase 226,000 Wall Street meme tokens. You could buy with Ethereum, USDT, credit card. Now if you're going to be buying with BNB or credit card, you need to make sure that you will be claiming your tokens on the Ethereum ERC20 network. Okay, now Wall Street meme is not just a pump and dump token. They have over 40 million impressions per month. They have unlimited memes. The community is well over 1 million people, and the big thing about Wall Street meme is you got Elon Musk on their side. So we could see right here, Elon Musk has replied to Wall Street meme multiple times right here. So first of all, this was one of the tweets they did, and of course Elon Musk right here, this is the real one, 149.2 followers. He literally said, he tweeted, okay, it's not the big thing right here, but the fact that Elon Musk is engaging and tweeting with this cryptocurrency Wall Street meme token is obviously big, and we know everything that Elon Musk talks about usually explode. And this is another one right here. Wall Street meme says throwback from 13 years ago when Elon Musk said the inverse Jim Cramer. Greg also replied to Wall Street memes, and we know when Greg gets involved, it's also pretty big. And guess who replied right after it? Boom, Elon Musk once again. So that's obviously pretty bullish, because we know what happens when Elon Musk talks about crypto or replies to crypto. That thing usually explode, even though it's not really related. Now Wall Street meme obviously is a pretty big cryptocurrency channel. I mean, they have over 255,000 subscribers. Their Telegram has over 16,000 followers, and I mean, they just have a bunch of followers all over. You could go ahead and follow them on TikTok. You could go ahead and follow them on Instagram. You could go ahead and follow them on Discord, on YouTube. So the community is quite big overall. This is not a small community. It's a massive community. And in this video, we're going to be having a look on how to buy Wall Street meme right now. So this is Ethereum, assuming you want to buy right here, right? Just an example, you're going to do 0.01 or 0.0. Yeah, let's do 0.01 just as a quick example. You're going to go ahead and hit buy now. And of course, you're going to go ahead and confirm the transaction. Now, of course, depending on the gas fees, right? That's what transaction is going to be. Now, right now, it will be anywhere between the gas fees between $8 to $12, and my total amount will be $31. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and hit aggressive. I want the transaction to come in fast. So we're going to go ahead and hit confirm. Now it is pretty simple. It says your transaction is in progress. Remember, I had 2226 and 82. So we're gonna see this number go up a little bit in just a few seconds, but overall it is pretty fast. And as you guys can see right here, you purchased 22,000 or 226,645. You could go ahead and start again, or essentially add more or close the thing, and that's about it. You could also go ahead and view the transaction on Etherscan, and that's about it as well. So overall, it's pretty simple to do. Nothing too crazy in my opinion. That's how you buy Wall Street meme. And for those of you guys who are asking, wait, how do you see your tokens? Well, you won't be able to see your tokens until the presale is over. Once the presale is over, you will be able to claim your tokens, and that's about it. But as of right now, you won't be able to see your tokens on your MetaMask. After the presale is over, you're going to go ahead and come back on this Wall Street meme website. You're going to go ahead and hit claim. They're going to give you the contract address. Once you have the contract address, you'll be able to import it on MetaMask, on import tokens, and then you will once again see your tokens there. But as of right now, you can see your tokens tokens, a presale has to be over. If you guys have never been in a presale before, that's how they work. I've been in 100 of presale before, and that's how presales essentially work. So the next stage price increase will be 0.0325, and that's about it. Nothing too crazy to see over here. The current price right now is currently 3.2 cents, and that is about it. So that is my quick video, guys, on how to buy WSM token. I hope this made a lot of sense. If you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like.